Let's make mac and cheese. This is actually my favorite meal.
My favorite.
The first thing you do before you do any cooking is washing your hands. Step number 1. Boil 6 cups of water in a medium saucepan. Now wait for it to boil. Now it's really boiling. There's a cheese packet in the box, so be careful not to pour it in. Now I'm gonna pour the noodles in. Step number 2. Stir in pasta, bring to boil, cook 8 to 10 minutes or until done, stirring occasionally. While the noodles are boiling, let's prep the butter. In it where 2 tablespoons of butter is. It's been 8 minutes. Let's see if the noodles are tender. Yep, they're tender. One tip I have is to prop the lid up so it doesn't boil over. Normally these handles are hot, but I've got a special pan that makes it cool to the touch. Step number 3. Drain pasta and colander. Add cooked pasta back to saucepan and stir well. Now we're gonna put the butter in. Now I'm putting the cheese in. It doesn't really matter what order you put the cheese, milk, and butter in, because it all tastes the same once you put it together. My tip is to pour it over a cup so you don't get any milk on the surface. Like that. Enjoy. That's my favorite part. See me next time in Cooking with Gabriel. It's cooking time with Mr. Gabriel Conrad.